Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'll be showcasing the Elgato Prompter while using the Elgato Prompter. Elgato did send me this product, but any opinion expressed is strictly my own. If you're interested in the prompter and want to find out more about it, the link will be in the video description. The Elgato Prompter is a versatile tool designed to enhance the experience of content creators, streamers, and professionals engaging in video communication. With its built-in display, users can seamlessly integrate prompter functionality without the need for additional tablets or smartphone screens, making it a convenient all-in-one solution. One of the standout features of the Elgato Prompter is its drag and drop capability, allowing users to effortlessly move any window or application onto the prompter's display, mimicking the functionality of a monitor. This feature streamlines the process of reading scripts, monitoring Twitch chat, or engaging with content while maintaining focus on the camera. The multi-purpose nature of the Elgato Prompter further extends its utility. Users can seamlessly transition between tasks such as reading scripts, monitoring Twitch chat, or engaging in video calls while maintaining professional eye contact. This flexibility makes it an invaluable tool with a variety of applications for content creation to virtual meetings. Additionally, the prompter boasts exceptional compatibility with customization options. It supports a wide range of cameras, including those with the widest lenses, ensuring compatibility with various setups. The included Camera Hub app allows users to adjust text and chat appearance to suit their preferences, providing a personalized experience tailored to individual needs. Setting up the Elgato Prompter is straightforward with no complicated instructions or installation requirements. Users simply attach their camera and plug in the prompter, utilizing their PC or Mac computer for control rather than relying on third-party mobile apps or software. Moreover, the Elgato Prompter seamlessly integrates with other Elgato products such as the Stream Deck, further enhancing its functionality and convenience. After using the Elgato Prompter for the last few weeks, let me share with you my final thoughts. The Elgato Prompter offers a seamless and user-friendly solution for integrating prompter functionality into content creation, streaming, and video communication. You will not find a better teleprompter for those purposes. Build quality is top-notch and the software keeps getting better and better. The only issue I've run into so far is that both of my primary monitors are 4K and the resolution on the prompter is only 1024 by 600 at 60 Hz. I wish it was a 1080p or even 4K display to match my other displays.